So where does the money actually come from? How is the yield actually generated? Well, it comes from the AI sector. There is a large, well-capitalized company, maybe they raised a few billion as a Series C or larger, and they need to have GPUs to service their tokens, to service their end use case, whether it's like a base 10, whether it's Amazon or one of these companies. And they're willing to pay $250 million across the next 3 years. So to provide that service, a neocloud, the actual borrower in this situation, purchases the GPUs on their behalf, which requires $150 million upfront, then and there, to install and provide tokens and services to the end user. So this is kind of where the revenue comes from. Is this delta between the $250 million that they're willing to pay across the next 3 years and the $150 million that they need upfront. But it's not that simple. You kind of have to sanitize this entire process in order to get the $100 million of yield across the next 3 years. So the $150 million we divide up between the borrower and the debt. Here we provide 80% LTV of a loan, and the borrower puts up their own 20%. And in this example, for $150 million, $120 million would be provided in debt, and it would be slowly paid over time along with interest in order to maintain a specific ratio. This is a debt service coverage ratio, which is the ratio at which the money that you're generating every month is enough to cover the debt repayments, including interest rates and amortization.